Maayong adlaw mga Subuanon. I just want to talk to you, especially to our parents, about something very important for our children. Kabalo ko nga daghan na kaayo tag mabasa ug madungog karon bahin sa vaccines. And as a mother myself, I understand why parents ask questions. When it comes to our children, gusto gyud nato makasiguro. But I also want to reassure you, dugay na kaayo ning bakuna kontra measles o rubella. Dili ni bag-o ug dili ni eksperimento. In fact, akong kaugalingong anak nga doktor na karon, ang puwerteng himsuga, nabakunahan na ani way back in the 1980s. And the Philippines has had a national immunization program since 1976. So nganong mag-campaign man ta karon? Because over the years, misinformation about vaccines has increased. And so has vaccine hesitancy. But when fewer children are protected, mas taas ang posibilidad nga mubalik ug mukatap ang mga sakit nga kaya unta nato mapugnan. And please remember, ang measles ug rubella dili lang ni basta hilanat ug rashes. Measles can lead to serious complications like pneumonia and brain inflammation. Rubella is especially dangerous during pregnancy because it can cause miscarriage or serious birth defects in the baby. Mao nga as much as possible, prevention gyud ta. We already have vaccines that have been used for decades and have protected generations of children. So I encourage all our parents, please avail of our measles, rubella, supplemental immunization activity. If you have questions or concerns, ayaw ka hadlok mangutana sa atong doctors, nurses, midwives, and health workers. Get your information from people who understand the science and who are there to protect your children. At the end of the day, simple ra gyud ang atong tumong. Protektahan nato atong mga anak. Kay kung adunay paagi nga malikaya nato ang magkasakit sila, ma-ospital, or suffer complications that can affect them for the rest of their lives, then let us give them that protection. Bakuna kontra measles o rubella, dugay nang gigamit og proteksyon kini nga angay mapahimuslan sa matag bata. Daghang salamat and please let us protect our children together.